The egg drop experiment is a classical hands-on activity in which students are asked to design a container that will keep an egg from cracking when dropped from increasing height. In this case, we used it with a group of students in an open-air workshop for creativity and arts. We also asked them to prepare a short advertisement of the designed egg protector and to demonstrate how it works. Teachers invited participants to form small teams of 3 or 4 people, grouping with those who they know less. In our case, these were students from 3 schools who mixed in the different teams. Each team had following resources: 10 drinking straws, 1 meter of scotch tape, and 30 minutes for work. Each team manages the task in its own way. The team members decide how to organize the work, how to utilize its resources, including human capacity, and is responsible to produce results. Teams are forced to cooperate very quickly and to self-regulate. Obviously, there are people who are more involved and some who stay passive and don't provide input. The teachers don't interfere in the process, but they stay alert for the group dynamics. They monitor how different teams handle the tasks and how individuals are involved. This is also a part of the autonomous learning process. It is important that after the activity, a discussion takes place in which participants can share their feelings, findings, the different approaches they have used, the learning outcomes, and self-evaluate their input. The task allows students to pursue learning autonomously. They explore different structures of design, evaluate them, make modifications, communicate, and promote the product. It was interesting to observe how different teams handled the task. Some teams discussed a couple of designs and selected one. Then they created the advertisement accordingly to the appearance of the container. Others focused on functionality and tried to produce the toughest possible container which can protect the egg. There were also teams that came up with comprehensive concepts, borrowing patterns from technology and arts. So finally, we had in the contest an egg box, an egg bomb, a Robocop, and a rocket. After the task, teachers ask questions and provide feedback on the process by the perspective of learning: how teams handle the task, what kind of strategy they use, how do they overcome challenges. As a part of the evaluation process, students can be asked to suggest ways to improve team performance, efficiency, and results. Depending on the context and objectives of the task, you can invite as jury salespeople, science professors, designers, copywriters, entrepreneurs, etc., and provide some awards like books, certificates, or even a cake. Celebrate not only the success but also the failures, because students need to be encouraged to explore and experiment and not feel afraid of mistakes. Thus, the egg task can foster their learning enthusiasm. This activity gives students an opportunity to appreciate the spirit of innovation, exploration, and science, and promotes understanding of the process of learning and satisfaction of overcoming challenges.